In 12 months, there will be two types of people. The ones that used AI and automation to become rich, and those that are out of business, broke, and lost. See, the competition still hasn't figured it out, but that window is closing fast. Now, here is what nobody tells you about AI and automation. It's that the people making money are not the ones watching YouTube videos learning how to use the tools. They're the ones who install proven systems and actually turn them on. That's the difference. Now, I've helped well over 1,500 businesses scale to 6 and 7 figures using AI and automation. Every single one of them asked me the same question. Can I just copy what you built? So that's exactly what I did. This is the AI Automation Insiders, and here's what you get. Every N8N workflow that I use to run my 8-figure business, you import them in one click. No coding, no building from scratch, no figuring it out. You get the exact lead generation automations I use, the email scrapers, cold email bots, LinkedIn automations, systems that pull leads, enrich them, start conversations while you sleep. You get my sales automations, automated appointment settings, CRM updates, AI sales directors, the same workflows handling millions in my pipeline right now. You'll get voice agents, chatbots, so you can replace your support staff, your appointment setters, your receptionist. You'll get social media growth workflows, the same ones that I used to grow to 77,000 followers in just a year. You'll also get all of my AI video systems and image systems to create AI avatars that look like you and sound like you, and create thumbnails. You can steal my thumbnails and replace your face in your body. The goal is to automate the entire content creation process. You'll also learn how to build an AI executive assistant using Claude and Bob. This is where it gets really, really good because you get my complete Claude Code training. This is how you go from automations in N8N to building real software that you can either use internally or sell as a SaaS product. You'll also get my full repository of Claude Code commands and skills and my entire code base. So you can just import all of the apps that I've already spent all this time building and implement them in your business right away. This includes my webmaster app that I use to build lead magnets, landing pages, and run A/B tests. My email verification app that I use to verify emails in bulk for free. My lead database that currently has 12 million records. My internal billing portal, all of it, the full source code ready to clone and deploy. And if that's not enough, you'll get my complete ClaudeBot training. ClaudeBot, who's now Bob, on my phone, in my Slack, in my email, is my AI executive assistant. He's a real member of my team. I text him through iMessage. I CC him on emails. He talks to my team in Slack. He's my middle management. He does everything for me. He's my developer, my designer, my content creator, and my co-pilot. It cost me about $200 per month to run using my Claude Code Max plan instead of paying 6 employees tens of thousands of dollars per year. But here's the part that matters. You're not just buying a course. We're going to give you unlimited coaching. You're going to get one-to-one help when you need it. You're going to get dedicated support to get you unstuck when you get stuck. We're also going to set up and configure your N8N systems and give you all of our Claude Code prompts and repositories. So no paying expensive monthly subscriptions to SaaS companies. You are going to own all your own systems. And this is built for total beginners. I'm not a coder. I'm not technical, but it goes deep enough for power builders. I'm going to take you from absolute zero to building advanced automations, not in 6 months, in days. Because again, you're not just learning theory. You're not learning just what buttons to click. You're going to be able to one-click install things that are already working. And yes, you're going to be able to build from scratch whatever you want. Now, asking people who have gone through this program, they've said the value is over $32,000. But you're not going to be paying that. However, I can't show you the price on this page because it goes up every time we reach coaching constraints and demand increases. But I will say it will never cost less than it does right now, and we do have limited availability. The one-time payment is going to get you access to everything for 12 months. You're also going to be protected by a full money-back guarantee. So if you get in and you try it and you don't like what you see inside, we will give you your money back. Listen, Elon Musk says we have 3 to 5 years before people cannot move up in life because AI is going to do everything. So this is literally your window. It might be your last chance. You either need to learn to build with AI now, or you're going to be a slave to AI forever. I want you to take the next step. Give us your information, see if there's any availability left, see what the current price is, and pull the trigger. It will be the best investment that you've ever made.